What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Created this channel essentially for the Mopar people, the Mopar fans. We're far and few between, but we're out there. A lot of older guys that like the Mopar cars from, the 60s, 70s, 80s. And then you have now the newer Mopars, which I think have been greatly revitalized. As you can see behind me, I have my 2016 Dodge Charger RT. It has the 5.7 liter. So not the big boy motor, like the Scats or any of them, but it gets the job done. It's not stock. It's actually pretty far away from stock. It was pretty much a base model RT, but it's been upgraded. Rear end, exhaust. It's a Hellcat exhaust. It has long tubes, Catless mid pipes. And just recently I did some head work, cam, other little bits here and there, refreshed essentially everything from the block up. So the top side of the motor is completely redone. Power numbers were good. I won't disclose them just yet because unfortunately we are working on a couple of little hiccups that we've been dealing with. But the car should be back in the shop in about 1 to 2 weeks. So I guess you can say this is the introductory video for the channel. It's a brand new channel. This is the first video I ever upload. The purpose of the channel is going to be to obviously, share the progress of the vehicle, which you can see here. Great colored Dodge Charger. While also sharing other Mopar things, mods, upgrades, tutorials, how-tos, car meets. I go to the track pretty often. I do road trips all the time. I'm tinkering with the car a lot. I'm always out, I also get down with Mexico. So weekends, maybe get a couple videos out, in the open road, and just kind of see where the channel goes. Don't let the name fool you. I know it's Mopar lifestyle, but it's not going to be just Mopar things. It's going to be everything because I like all cars. I don't care what you drive, as long as it's something tasteful, good, doesn't have to be quick, doesn't have to be anything crazy. I like it. So see where it goes. I guess a good way to start the channel would be to have a cold start. So let's see what a 5.7 with a pretty decent cam and a couple other little bits sounds like when it's cold. Check it out. All right, guys, cold start of the 5.7 with a little bit of the work. Here's a quick walk around of the vehicle. Like I said, 5.7 with a couple of upgrades. You could probably see one of them right there, all the way there, peeking out a little bit. Some nice long tubes. Got some Scat Pack wheels with some pretty nice meat in the back. Got OEM Hellcat exhaust that we slapped on here for better airflow. Obviously the wicker bill and a couple of things from, getting the tail lights tinted and everything. But yeah, let's get to the good stuff. Let's get this cold start going. We are in Florida, Central Florida to be exact, and it's about maybe 50s right now. The car has misstarted in a couple days, so it should be a pretty decent cold start. Let's hope the battery's not dead, because it has a tendency of doing that. All right. Gonna open up the hood real quick, just so we can get a nice sound from inside. Got the radio coming on. Let that load up. Let's go to the back. Takes a little while for the lope to hit, but once it starts smoothing out, you'll get the lope a little better. Let's go to the engine bay for now. The heart of the beast. You can see some nice clean heads, nice and refreshed. Not sure if we could see the long tubes from here, but they're in there. JLT Intake, lots of goodies. little better. You could hear the lope a lot better. But it's actually pretty low key when you're just driving down the road, which I like. Let's go check out again inside the car. Again, pretty much just your base model RT. Got obviously the Hellcat paddle shifters. Got all the goodies in here for the car and keeping track of what's going on. Obviously, very important, radar detector. Second most important thing in the car, my Diablo Sport tuner. And third most important thing, dash camera, both front and back. But yeah, other than that, pretty tame vehicle. I don't daily drive it because I do work from home, but when I do drive it, I drive it hard. Starting to hear that lope now. Alright guys, so that is our video for now. Again, just a quick walkthrough of the car. A couple of tidbits on what it has. This is my 5th charger now, so I do know them pretty well. So if you have any questions or comments or anything of the sort, feel free, ask whatever you want. I'm happy to help. Pretty good with them, know them front and back, and yeah, we'll see where the channel goes. We'll see what videos we can put up, and if you have any ideas for what you'd like to see, or if you'd like some tutorials or how-tos or anything of the sort, feel free to comment and let me know, and I'll make the videos. And yeah, thanks for tuning in.